ba, 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 or whatever an excited trumpet player would play when they are announcing the Cellarhacker must-share red wine of the year. I should have shot this earlier, but when I went to shoot it, I didn't have a bottle. So I ordered it, and it hasn't come in yet. And we're rolling up towards 2025, so we're shooting it without the bottle, but we'll show the bottle on the video. So without further ado, the Cellarhacker must-share red wine of the year. Mazzocco Zinfandel from California, or as I like to call it, the ultimate crowd pleaser. This isn't just any wine. It's the one we must share because every single time we do, it's a guaranteed hit, no matter who's at the table or what their wine preference is. Mazzocco. What makes it so special? This Zinfandel comes from the legendary vineyards of Sonoma County, California. It's packed with lush blackberry, cherry, hints of warm baking spices, a velvety finish that's pure perfection. It's approachable yet bold, making it the ideal wine for wine lovers at every level. And when it comes to food pairings, this wine truly shines. Serve alongside barbecue ribs, pepperoni pizza, lasagna, or even a charcuterie board featuring aged cheddar and smoked meats. It's versatile enough to match with almost anything, making it the perfect companion for any meal or gathering. I always get mine directly from the winery, so we'll put the website here, Mazzocco.com. Trust me, it's worth adding a few bottles to your collection and taking to a party. So here's your mission. Grab a bottle of Mazzocco wherever you can, share it with friends, enjoy the moment, and when you do, let me know how it went. Let me know what you think. Hit like, hit subscribe. Happy New Year. Cheers from the cellar. Mazzocco, must share wine of the year.